Here is my Jupyter notebook, root directory opened. I already have Anaconda Python installed on my system, and that's why I can directly access Jupyter notebook. If you don't have Anaconda Python installed, you can directly go ahead and download Anaconda from its official website. And then you can start this by giving a simple command in command prompt like Jupyter-notebook, or you can also give it in your search bar and come to this point. Here, if you can see to the right top, we have something called new, and then click on Python 3. This will give us a new notebook. And if you can see here, it is named as untitled. When you click on it, it gives you an option to rename your notebook. Let's name it as data analysis demo. And the rectangular part that you are seeing over here is called as cell in Jupyter notebook. You can give whatever scripts or commands or Python lines of code here, and when you execute this cell, our output will be ready. So as I said, let's discuss in this video how Python helps us in data analysis better. If you all remember, in Java or C or any other programming language, we would have to write main method or include headers and then syntax, braces and everything to write even a single statement of code. But in Python, it's not like that. I can simply declare a variable with some value and just hit on Control Enter. If you want a new cell, then click Escape B. It gives you a cell below that. So I'm simply clicking Escape BBB. It is giving me number of cells. Also, uh, you can also click on Escape A. Escape A gives you the cell above the selected one. So I have given A. When you just give A, it is giving me value that is stored in this variable A. Also, let me check the type of A. It is returning as integer. See, Python does it automatically for us. I haven't declared anything, a variable like A, it should be of type integer. I haven't said anything. Python internally takes care of whatever has to be done, and this is called dynamic binding in Python. Uh, See, it's as simple as declaring variables. So in Python, so this helps us in data analysis because we don't because of the less number of code that we have and the dynamic binding feature. Also, let us give another some value to b. Let me check the type of b. If you can see, it is returning me with the object type of b, string. Also, it is not confined that we don't have any strict policy to store only string in type b. You can directly give b as 15. You don't get any error. See, if you can see, it is executed successfully. Now if you check the type of b, we are getting integer. Initially it was string and now it is integer. There is no strict rule that string variables should only hold string values. It is nothing like that. Dynamically, it has the flexibility to change whatever it needs. Also, in Python, we have modules called pandas and numpy. These two values helps us. These two models or modules help us in data analysis.